stone is this gorgeous piece of rutilated quartz. Look at that. It's got these golden lines of metal kind of going through it. And it's just, there is a sense in this, it's almost like your mane, your hair, your power, your courage that comes up with this particular stone. It's about strength. So with rutilated, with anything that's rutilated, it has that metallic kind of vibration to it. So it has this energy of strength, of supporting yourself, of having support around you, of really moving forward from a place of courage. When I look at this, it almost looks like a wing. So there is a sense, you know, it's like half a wing. So there is a sense of you are learning to do something different, something new, moving in a new direction, and you're going to find the courage to do it. I feel that there's a great deal of strength that's coming up for you, Leo. Now, Leo, in the tarot deck, your card is strength. So with this, it's about looking into the lion's mouth and saying, yes, I'm courageous. I can do this. Totally, I can do this. I can move in any direction I want to because I am totally capable of doing it. And of course, you're the best at that, aren't you? You are a courageous soul. So with the quartz vibration, it also amplifies things. So if you have any fear, any doubt that you can't do something, then that doubt will be amplified. There'll be people all over the place saying to you, you can't do that. So it's better to stay positive, really come into that positive place and say, this is what I want to do, this is the direction I'm going to take, and no one can stop me. Because, you know, with this, I feel that it's saying that your angels are with you, they're on your side, and it feels almost as if you've been getting the messages as well. This isn't the first time you've heard this. You've been getting the messages. I'm just getting one more thing here, and that's about finances. So there's a sense that finances are going to start looking up for you, but it's because you're being more positive and not kind of going down in the dumps about it or believing what anybody else says to you about your finances. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments below if the messages resonated for you. You can also grab my free color kit. If you hit the subscribe button at the top, you'll get my love letter that's weekly with articles and lots of other interesting information as well. If you want to find out when my next video is uploaded, I have them twice a week. Connect with me on my channel. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. I offer services. I offer different consultations. You can find out more about those on my website, sealedwithlove.com. I will see you soon. Lots of coloricious blessings to you. Bye.